the title was very Shund-like most of the times, very frequently, like Freie Liebe, or he also used to change the titles of the works that he translated so that people would buy them. For example, Cossacks by Tolstoy became Ich und mein Mann, for example. So weiter. Anyway, when you start reading the books that he wrote, the Shund books that he wrote, you find, first of all, a very authoritative moral narrator that warns the immigrants from all the, all the crimes and all the, all the bad things that can happen to their moral code once in the United States. So he wrote about the crimes and the sins and the, and the breaking of frames of, breaking of marriage life and betrayals and things like that. But he always tried to warn, to teach, to educate, and also to teach weltliche Beziehung, to give knowledge to the new immigrants. So many people, said that they learned a lot from his Shund novels, novellas.